Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb drum up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb drum up is to increase sales or support in something. The company launches a new promotional campaign. This social media campaign has really worked. We've drummed up our business by 120%. The politician visited the local community. This is one of the best ways to drum up support for our campaign. The sales team discuss a new idea. I think we should regularly promote the future product in small ways in order to drum up interest in it before we launch. Where did you hear the phrasal verb drum up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to English Logica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.